Hello? In this video, we present the synthesis of Sulthiame, isotopically labeled with nitrogen-15 and oxygen-18, an isotopologue useful in the research of the pharmacology and metabolism of this drug. In general, the synthesis includes the transformation of its sulfonamide functional group to sulfinic acid to exchange its oxygen atoms for oxygen-18 from the water labeled with this isotope, and, finally, the incorporation of nitrogen-15 by reacting with labeled ammonium hydroxide, as we will see later. Starting from unlabeled Sulthiame, whose synthesis and retrosynthesis were already presented in previous videos, the reaction with benzaldehyde, in the presence of a pyrazolyl chloride and potassium carbonate, generates the N-sulfonyl imine as an intermediate. The pyrazolyl chloride 2 with potassium carbonate generates carbene 4, which adds to the carbon-nitrogen double bond, producing intermediate 5. The intermediate 5 transforms into the sulfonate 6 and compound 7, which decomposes into the pyrazolyl 4 and benzonitrile 8. The sulfonate 6 exchanges its oxygen atoms in an acidic medium by oxygen-18 atoms originating from water labeled with this isotope to yield the labeled sulfinic acid 10. Finally, in the presence of molecular iodine and ammonium hydroxide labeled with nitrogen-15, doubly labeled, Sulthiame is synthesized with nitrogen-15 and oxygen-18 with 68% yield and 90% isotopic purity. In summary, here are the isotopically labeled raw materials and their structural contribution. Thank you for your attention.